You might have noticed a change in the login screen at VA.gov. It seems the oldies are on their way out, and I, for one, don't mind. It has been interesting to say the least when logging in. This change should be safer, but hopefully a smooth transition is upon us. The time is now. It's holiday season. And you probably have some time off. So instead of being surprised with an error screen when you try to log in a couple months, why don't you just create your login this month? Why did the VA make this change?
Why is VA making me get another account? We hear you. And here's the deal. Part of this is because we're trying to listen. This is the result of feedback. Veterans have been telling us they want fewer account options. The other part of this is keeping up with modern security standards online while keeping a simple sign-in experience. Login.gov and ID.me are both on point with that. Security is not something you want to take for granted, not when identity theft issues and scams are so rampant.
There's the why, but the next question is how. If you're worried about creating an account, the VA has a link right here to help you. Whether you want to do the login.gov or the ID.me, there's step-by-step instructions for each one, and then they go into and ask, questions and answers for some specifics in there. Nothing to worry about. Create it. Before you head over to VA.gov and create these accounts, take a look at this video. We got Ma and Pa Kettle explaining to us how VA math works. Gunny Beeve, out.